The checks, the first check that is going to be handed over is one for 3 billion Kenyan shillings. And on this picture, I'm going to ask, for the sake of the photo, to have His Excellency the President, the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the CS Health. Right, let's take it to the middle, right there. And have His Excellency... Hold it in the middle. This is the COG chair. This is 3 billion. Prime Cabinet Secretary, the CS Health, Treasury as well. If we can have it in the middle.
Who's receiving it?
COG chair. COG chair is receiving it. Yeah. We have the Nairobi County one coming. So if we can all just kindly look at the cameras at the front for the sake of that picture, then we'll have the second check, which is going to be handed over to Nairobi County, which is 221,160,000. So, very good. And this is 221,160,000 to be handed over to Nairobi County government. Inaonekana haina signature, lakini itasainiwa. All right, for the sake of the picture, if we can kindly just look forward and have that picture taken. After that, Your Excellency, all right, Your Excellency, with your permission, would also like to have a special picture of His Excellency the President taken with the CHPs. I'll request that we put the umbrellas down. I'll ask His Excellency and His Excellency to join them there. Then we'll also have the governors later, but let's have His Excellency alone. Let's have His Excellency alone kindly to take a picture with the CHPs. Then after that, we'll have the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, and the governors who are here to join them. But for now, kindly let's just have His Excellency alone. Tuweke mwavuli chini ili tuweze kupiga picha moja na Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. At this point, I'll also request that the truck drivers be in your trucks, ready to be flagged off. Truck drivers, let's get into our trucks, ready to be flagged off. But for now, we want to take the picture. Waimbaji wa West Pokot, tafadhali mje karibu hapa, mje karibu hapa. Once you're done, let me know so that we have the governors present who also join in the picture. Once we are done with that, let's allow His Excellency to come back this way, tafadhali, so that we may also do the official flag off of the trucks.
Simama, Wakenya wote simama. Simama, wewe shujaa simama.
Governors join in, please. Governors join in. Then after that, I'll request we all go back to the dais to witness the flagging off of the 47 trucks which are carrying the CHP kits going to all the 47 counties in Kenya.
Wakenya wote simama, simama, wewe shujaa simama. Nchi yangu, jukumu langu, mimi ni shujaa, shujaa. Najivunia taifa langu, mimi ni shujaa, shujaa. Simama, Wakenya wote simama, simama, wewe shujaa simama, simama, Wakenya wote simama.
Basi, I'll request that we all come back to the dais so that we may witness the 47. There are 6 trucks that will be representative of the flag off. If we may allow His Excellency to come back, let's all come back to the dais, tafadhali. Let's all come back to the dais kindly. If we can kindly have the governors just line up here, but His Excellency on the red carpet. Governors, if we can just line up here as witnesses. The rest of us, please, let's come back to the dais. Governors in a line. His Excellency to flag off from... All right, let's all come back to the dais. So what we'll do, we'll count down. We're going to count down from 5. Then His Excellency will flag them off. And for the sake of safety, please let's not have the pyros. We're too close to the edge of the podium. So we'll count down to 5. All right, so we'll count down to 5, from 5. All right, so we'll have His Excellency flag them off. Then each county... Wait. Ngoja. Kwale governor. Hayuko. All right, we'll just count down to 5, then we start. And then we'll have the celebration. 5, 4, 3, 2, flag off. County 02. County 004. 004. Tana River. Higher next. Keep going. The next county is 006. Taita Taveta. Taita Taveta is there, so count Taita Taveta. And let's have Wajir County getting ready. Wajir County. After Wajir County, we have Marsabit. Marsabit pia jitayarishe. Marsabit. Marsabit. Oh yeah. After Marsabit, we have Embu County. Embu Governor yuko tena sana. Embu County. After Embu County, we have 001. Mombasa County.
Simama, Wakenya wote simama.
Haya iendelee.
Simama, wewe shujaa, simama.
Yuko. Kilifi County. Kilifi.
Nchi yangu,
Kilifi.
jukumu langu, mimi ni shujaa.
Lamu County. Lamu County.
Taifa langu, mimi ni shujaa. Shujaa.
After that is Garissa County.
Wakenya wote simama.
Garissa County.
Simama, wewe shujaa, simama. Simama, Wakenya.
After that we have Mandera County. Mandera.
Kenya yaito beautiful mazingira tobwate kalafu aba Kenya na bantu wonderful proud to be Kenyan I'm grateful.
After this it is Isiolo County. Tharaka Nithi. Masaku is next. After that it's Machakos. After that it's Machakos. Makueni County after that. County 017 ndio imefuata Makueni. Makueni County. Followed by Nyandarua County. Nyandarua alafu Kitui, kwa hivyo Kitui karibu. Nyandarua followed by Kitui. After